Hey, what's up guys, it's Mr. Tech Fox, and today in this video I'm gonna show you a solution for the issue called beats stdc++.a is file not found. And if you are using a vscode or sublime text, this solution is gonna be worked for you actually. Okay, so all you need to do right now to solve this problem is you need to follow my steps. So make sure that you have subscribed my channel, and also I'm requesting to hit that like button. This is not a step, but you can do it if you like. Okay, so you need to open the Finder, and here you need to select Macintosh HD. And now you will see many folders here, and there are also some hidden folders here. And if we want to make them visible to us, we need to press on our keyboard Command Shift dot. And then you will see many folders here, and we need to select this option called USR. Make sure that you are selecting this option, not users. You need to select this option actually. Okay, so we are selecting it, and we need to select local again, and here we need to create a folder called include. Okay, so here I'm gonna create a folder, and before doing it, make sure that you are entering passwords here. Okay, so I am entering the password of me here, and I'm gonna create a folder here. Okay, so here I have created a folder, and I'm gonna rename it called include, and I need to again enter my password here. And now we need to open this folder again, and we need to create another folder here called beats. Okay, and here we need to open it, and then we need to open our browser to download a file. Okay, so we need to open our Chrome browser, and then we need to search on the search bar github.com/printfshohack. So this is my profile, and here I have uploaded that file. Okay, so you can download it from here, or you can make it in a custom way. So you need to click on this programming tools. I'll add the link of this repository. You can download it from there, from the description box, or you can visit from your browser by visiting my profile. Okay, so you need to click on competitive programming tools, and then you need to select this option called beats, and then you will see a file called stdc++.ace. You need to download this file. Okay, you need to click on this download raw file, then the file is gonna be downloaded, and you need to locate this file actually, and now you need to copy it, and then you need to paste it on that beats folder. So I am pasting it here. So that's all. I think the problem is going to be solved. Okay, so now I'm gonna open it, and I'm gonna run it by clicking. Okay, so let's see what happened. Okay, you can see that our problem is gone. So that's all how you can solve this problem. So make sure that you have followed all of the steps. If there isn't any folder like that include or beats, you need to create all of them. Okay, so if you follow all of the steps of me, then this problem is going to be solved. So thank you for watching, and also I'm requesting to hit that like button, and also requesting to subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care, and Allah Hafiz.